Hey, drone fans! If you're looking for a dependable, entry-level drone that focuses on stability and user experience, look no further. Today, we're putting the Edward JS26 MAX Drone through its paces. This drone packs some seriously smart tech, like a brushless motor and infrared obstacle sensing, all into a highly portable frame. Let's see how it performs. Intelligent stability and collision safety. One of the biggest anxieties for new pilots is hitting something, but the JS26 MAX handles this beautifully. It features an advanced infrared laser optical flow system, which is key to both safety and stable flight. This system allows for precise optical flow localization, essentially giving the drone eyes to hold its position reliably and avoid drifting, even without a strong GPS signal. Even better, that infrared laser acts as a shield, powering the obstacle avoidance feature. The drone actively scans its surroundings, making it safer to fly in tighter spaces or near obstacles, dramatically reducing the chance of a crash. Next level control, the 2.8-inch screen. This is a game changer for control. The Edward JS26 MAX comes with a premium remote control that features its own integrated 2.8-inch screen. That means no more fumbling with your phone or dealing with sunlight glare on a small device. You get a clear, dedicated view of your flight data and video feed, keeping your focus where it needs to be, on flying. For capturing the action, the HD double-shot camera system ensures you get crisp footage from the air. The camera system is simple, reliable, and perfect for sharing quick clips of your adventures. Power and portability. Under the hood, the JS26 MAX runs on a brushless motor. Why does that matter? Brushless motors are far more efficient, quieter, and last significantly longer than traditional brushed motors, giving you greater reliability over time. Paired with the removable 20-minute capacity battery, you get plenty of time in the air to practice and capture footage. While the flight distance is about 150 meters, that's the perfect sweet spot for backyard fun, park flying, or keeping your drone easily in sight. And when you're done, it folds down instantly. From its deployed size of 27 by 23.5 by 8 centimeters, it collapses neatly into a super portable package of just 15 by 15.5 by 8 centimeters, ready to toss into a backpack. Final thoughts. The Edward JS26 MAX delivers a strong, reliable flight experience ideal for beginners and casual flyers. The combination of the durable brushless motor, the impressive infrared obstacle avoidance, and that fantastic, dedicated 2.8-inch control screen makes this drone an excellent value. If you're ready to upgrade to a drone that takes the guesswork out of flying, the JS26 MAX is worth a look. Which feature excites you the most, the obstacle avoidance or the dedicated screen? Let me know in the comments below.